Have you ever found yourself sitting on the edge of your bed in the morning, not necessarily in pain, but simply waiting? Waiting because your legs just don't feel ready, like they need a moment to gather themselves before they can carry you through the day. Maybe you've noticed that standing up from a comfy chair now takes more effort, or your balance feels just a little more unsure than it used to. It's so easy to dismiss these changes with a resigned sigh and say, I guess I'm just getting older. But what if that creeping weakness wasn't just a harmless side effect of aging? What if it's a warning sign, a silent intruder slowly undermining your strength? This condition, often unnoticed until it causes real harm, is called sarcopenia. It's the age-related loss of muscle mass and strength, and it affects nearly 1 in 3 people over the age of 60. Many don't even know it's happening until a fall or injury forces them to face the reality. According to research published in the Journal of the American Medical Directors Association, older adults with sarcopenia are twice as likely to experience falls, and those falls are more likely to lead to serious injury or even permanent disability. What's truly surprising is that this muscle loss doesn't only occur because of inactivity or missed workouts. It can actually accelerate while you sleep. That's right. Even if you believe you're resting and recovering at night, your muscles may be breaking down if they're not getting the essential nutrients they need. You could be waking up slightly weaker than you were the night before. That's why your bedtime nutrition, what you eat before sleep, might be the most important meal of your entire day once you hit 60 and beyond. The good news is scientists have identified 7 specific foods that, when eaten before bed, can help preserve and even rebuild your muscle mass. These foods have been clinically shown to improve strength, reverse muscle loss, and boost recovery, even in people well into their 70s and 80s. And the number 1 item on the list? It has been scientifically proven to reverse sarcopenia and promote real muscle regrowth, even in individuals in their 80s. I'm Dr. Samuel Boyd, and here on Senior Wellness Journey, I'll walk you through each of these powerful bedtime foods and exactly how to make them part of your nightly routine. Make sure to stick around till the end. I'll show you how to prepare a shake so powerful it could help you reclaim the strength you thought was gone for good. Before we begin, let us know in the comments where you're tuning in from. Hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to Senior Wellness Journey so you never miss helpful health insights tailored to life after 60. Let's begin with number 7. Eggs, especially soft-boiled or poached. Eggs are one of the most complete sources of protein found in nature. For older adults, they offer not only rich nourishment, but are also easy on the digestive system. Eggs provide all 9 essential amino acids in ideal ratios to support muscle growth, with leucine being the standout. Leucine plays a key role in starting the muscle-building process. A study for nutrition research revealed that seniors who included leucine-rich foods like eggs in their evening meals showed a 25% increase in overnight muscle protein synthesis. Soft-boiled or poached eggs are best, as this gentle cooking method keeps the nutrients highly bioavailable, which is critical for older digestion. Eggs also contain vitamin D and B12, both vital for muscle health and proper nerve signaling. To make this a nightly ritual, try eating 1 or 2 soft-boiled eggs about an hour before bed. Add a pinch of sea salt or pair with steamed spinach for extra nutrients. Avoid fried eggs or heavy fats before sleep, as they can disrupt digestion. For variety, an egg salad made with Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise is a delicious twist. When included consistently, eggs can be a quiet but powerful ally in your fight against muscle loss. At number 6, we have almond butter. It may not be the first thing that comes to mind for a bedtime snack, but it's a surprisingly effective tool for preserving muscle. Almond butter is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, plant protein, magnesium, and vitamin. Magnesium helps relax muscles and support sleep, while arginine, an amino acid in almonds, boosts blood flow to muscles, enhancing recovery. A study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who added almond butter to their evening routine retained 15% more lean muscle mass over 6 months, even when inactive or recovering from illness. To incorporate it easily, spread a tablespoon on whole grain toast, mix it into oatmeal, or stir in a cottage cheese. Choose a natural version with no added sugars, or oils. Just 1 tablespoon delivers slow-digesting fuel, keeping your blood sugar stable and feeding your muscles all night long. If you wake up hungry or struggle to stay asleep, almond butter may be the nourishing fix you need. Sliding into number 5 is Tart cherry juice. This isn't just a trendy drink. It's a science-backed remedy for seniors. Tart cherry juice reduces inflammation, boosts melatonin production, and significantly improves muscle recovery. Packed with anthocyanins, it's been shown to lower markers of muscle damage. A study in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports found that older adults who drank Tart cherry juice twice daily saw a 34% reduction in muscle soreness and faster recovery post-exercise. Tart cherry juice also naturally increases melatonin, which is crucial for deep sleep, exactly when most muscle regeneration happens. To benefit, drink 8 ounces of 100% pure Tart cherry juice about 30 minutes before bed. You could dilute it with water, warm it into a tea-like drink, or blend it with protein powder for a powerful smoothie. However you enjoy it, Tart cherry juice helps prepare your body for deep, muscle-healing rest. Next on the list, at number 4, are pumpkin seeds. Small but mighty, these green seeds are packed with magnesium, zinc, and plant-based protein. Magnesium, often lacking in senior diets, plays a major role in muscle contraction, relaxation, and sleep regulation. According to a study in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society, older adults with adequate magnesium intake showed 30% greater lower limb strength compared to those deficient in it. What makes pumpkin seeds especially great at night is their tryptophan content, which converts into serotonin and eventually melatonin, promoting both emotional balance and better sleep. 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds provides 7 grams of protein and nearly 40% of your daily magnesium needs. Enjoy them raw or lightly toasted about an hour before bed. Sprinkle over yogurt or blend into smoothies. Just be sure to use unsalted varieties to avoid sleep-disrupting sodium. Soaking seeds in water during the day can improve digestion, making them even more senior-friendly. Taking the number 3 spot is Greek yogurt. This thick, creamy dairy food is a standout for older adults due to its dual protein punch, fast-absorbing whey, and slow-digesting casein. A single cup can offer 20 grams of high-quality protein, supporting both quick and sustained muscle repair during sleep. A study in Frontiers in Nutrition showed that seniors who consumed a protein-rich snack like Greek yogurt before bed increased their muscle protein synthesis by 26%. Beyond protein, Greek yogurt provides calcium and probiotics, helping with muscle contractions and nutrient absorption. Add chia seeds for omega-3s and fiber, or a handful of berries for antioxidants. A touch of raw honey can sweeten things naturally and aid melatonin release. Enjoy this delicious mix about 30 to 60 minutes before bed for a satisfying and muscle-replenishing nightcap. Quietly reasserting its value, number 2 is cottage cheese. A true bedtime hero, this dairy product is loaded with casein protein, offering a steady release of amino acids throughout the night. It also delivers leucine, the most important amino acid for muscle synthesis. In a 12-week study published in the British Journal of Nutrition, older adults who ate cottage cheese before bed and followed light resistance training saw a 27% increase in strength and 20% gain in lean mass. Cottage cheese is soft and easy to digest, perfect for seniors with dental issues or reduced appetites. It also provides phosphorus and calcium, supporting your muscles and bones alike. Mix half a cup with chia seeds and berries for a sweet, fiber-rich combo. Choose low-sodium options to avoid sleep disruption. Many seniors find that this simple snack keeps them full and discourages midnight fridge visits. Finally, the number 1 powerhouse, a bedtime shake made with whey protein, collagen peptides, and leucine. This trio creates the perfect formula for reversing muscle loss, even in your 80s. Whey protein is fast-digesting and leucine-rich, jump-starting the muscle repair process. A landmark study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that seniors who took 40 g of whey before bed increased muscle synthesis by 32%, and that number doubled when leucine was added. Collagen peptides support joints, tendons, and ligaments, providing foundational support for strong muscles. A study in osteoarthritis and cartilage showed that 15 g of collagen daily improved muscle strength and joint health in just 12 weeks. For the ultimate bedtime shake, mix 1 scoop of whey, 1 scoop of collagen, and 3 g of leucine powder with unsweetened almond milk or water. Add cinnamon or half a banana for extra nutrients and melatonin support. This shake is more than a snack. It's a carefully designed formula that works overnight to halt muscle loss and reignite your strength. So there you have it, the top 7 bedtime food that can genuinely help you regain your strength, slow the effects of aging, and restore your confidence. Whether you add just one or combine several, these small nightly changes can make a big difference in your life over the coming weeks. Science is clear. It's never too late to rebuild muscle and reclaim your vitality. Have you experienced signs of muscle loss or weakness? Which of these foods are you already using, and which ones are you excited to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from our community. And don't forget to subscribe to Senior Wellness Journey for more empowering insights and practical health tips. I'm Dr. Samuel Boyd, and until next time, take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live.